How to get out of debt explained. Acknowledge the problem. First things first. Recognize that you've got a debt issue. It's important to face it head-on. List all your debts, credit cards, loans, and any other balances. Write down the amounts, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. This gives you a clear picture of your financial situation and is the first step towards taking control. Also, check if any debts have gone to collections. Contact those companies to understand the status and work out a plan to address these debts. Ignoring notices or avoiding contact can lead to further financial and legal issues. Remember, taking charge of your finances means being proactive and responsible. Go ahead and pause the video now to jot down your debts. Create a budget. Next, let's make a budget. Write down your monthly income and all your expenses, both fixed, like rent and phone bills, and variable, like groceries and entertainment. Track every dollar you spend for a month to see where your money's going. This will help you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about making informed choices and prioritizing your spending. It's about telling your money who's boss. You're in control, directing where every dollar goes rather than wondering where it went. Try this budgeting tip and let us know how it worked for you in the comments. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now, review your budget and pinpoint areas to save money. Do you really need that extra streaming service or daily coffee shop visit? Can you prepare meals at home instead of dining out? Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Consider adopting a minimalist mindset. Focus on what truly adds value to your life and eliminate the rest. Redirect these savings towards your debt repayment. You're already on your way to financial freedom. Build an emergency fund. Even while tackling debt, set aside a small emergency fund, ideally $500 to $1,000 to start. This acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills, preventing further debt. Start with a goal that feels achievable and build from there. Having this cushion can provide peace of mind and keep you from resorting to credit cards when an emergency arises. Great job for taking this step. Choose a debt payoff strategy. You've got two main options. Debt Snowball. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest debt is paid off, move on to the next smallest. This method provides quick wins and boosts motivation. Debt Avalanche. Concentrate on the debt with the highest interest rate first. Once it's paid off, move to the next highest. This method saves you money on interest over time. Choose the method that resonates with you and aligns with your personality and financial goals. Both are effective, but consistency is key. Increase your income. Consider ways to boost your income. Could you take on a part-time job, freelance work, or sell items you no longer need? Use this extra money to pay down your debt faster. Think about turning your skills and hobbies into additional income streams. For example, if you're good at graphic design, offer your services online. If you have a car, consider driving for ride-sharing services. You could also try tutoring, pet sitting, or other side gigs. Every bit of extra income can significantly speed up your debt repayment process. Negotiate with creditors. Reach out to your creditors. Sometimes they can reduce your interest rates, waive fees, or offer more manageable payment plans. It never hurts to ask. Be honest about your situation and explain that you're committed to paying off your debt. Creditors are often willing to work with you because they want to recover their money. Negotiating can lighten your burden and make repayment more manageable. Stay motivated and patient. Remember, getting out of debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay motivated by setting small, achievable goals and celebrating each milestone. Track your progress and remind yourself of the benefits of being debt-free. Patience and perseverance are key. There will be setbacks, but don't get discouraged. Focus on your long-term goal and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with people who understand your goals and can offer encouragement. Avoid new debt. Avoid accumulating new debt while paying off existing debt. Put away your credit cards and focus on living within your means. This might mean making some lifestyle changes, but it's essential for breaking the debt cycle. Develop healthy financial habits, such as saving for purchases instead of financing them. Remember, each time you choose not to incur new debt, you're one step closer to financial freedom. Seek professional help if needed. If you feel overwhelmed, consider seeking professional help. A financial advisor or credit counselor can provide personalized advice and support. They can help you create a realistic repayment plan and offer strategies for managing your finances more effectively. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Sometimes an outside perspective can provide valuable insights and solutions you might not have considered. By following these steps, you're on your way to financial freedom. It won't be easy, but with dedication and a solid plan, you can achieve it. Stay focused and committed. Remember, every step you take is progress. You've got this.